Hello guys, it is Aries Gaming in the house. This is my very first YouTube channel and my very first YouTube video. I do other games. I'm going to start a Minecraft series, but I'm also going to do a Roblox series, a Five Nights at Freddy's series, and some other games that, I play. I do YouTube videos, other YouTube videos. It might be on other people's channels, like Zach the Emerald Gaming or Iron O Games. And I'm just gonna start with this Minecraft series. So today we're just gonna start from scratch with the creative, and okay, let's just first we need wood for the house. They should make wood, like, faster to mine. That's what I think. And if you guys have any screen, I have a screen recorder, as you know now, if you're watching the video. But I need a better screen recorder that can record longer. This one that I'm using can only record 15 minutes. So let's find a place that we can actually put our house in. Let's have it on top of this. Why do I have two? That's weird. Okay. Okay. I see light over there. Yeah, I see us. Let's build over near the swamp. Maybe. Okay. We're gonna put my house right here. Okay. I'm gonna start with putting the walls. When I usually build my houses, I have one door on each side in case I come in from any different angles. Okay, start there. Now we need more wood. Okay, that should be enough wood for the base. Yeah, like this. This is going to be right here. That's going to be a door. That's going to be a door. That's going to be a door. And that's going to be a door. Okay. Let's start making these actually right here. It's nice. If you guys are wondering what version I'm on, I am on version 1.12.2. If you guys know any other better versions, just leave in the comments below. So if you guys have any recommendations or games that you want me to play, just leave down in the comments, and then after a few days, or like each day, I'll look into the comments and see what games you guys want me to play, and then I'll probably buy the game and play it. Okay. Alright. Let's get a dirt block. Here's for some stools. Here. Okay. Might need another wood because it's going to be taller. Okay. And now we need more wood. So if you guys are wondering which computer I have, I do have a Dell Windows computer. And I do use a monitor because you know better graphics for me. Okay. Let's build kind of a wall thing together. Right there. 16 should be good to fill, you know, the roof. Or and so I might also do Madden 17 videos. I know I'm going to get Madden 18, but I have a Xbox 360, so Madden 17 is the highest for Xbox 360. I will do Xbox 360 videos like Madden. And I might need a screen recorder on my TV, but I might just have my